Water purification is a complex business, it's expensive, and it affects the world. MECO engineers have been finding solutions to these unique challenges for over 90 years, with an uncompromising attention to detail and a commitment to making pure water that's better for business and the environment. So when we developed a way to access even more data from water systems, we knew this would lead to smarter solutions for our customers and better water for the world. MECO smartANALYTICS unlock insights in your water system that allow our engineers to decrease costs, optimize production, schedule predictive maintenance, and improve sustainability. So how does it work? MECO smartANALYTICS is integrated into your water system, sending thousands of outputs to our online diagnostics platform in real time. Red flags are monitored and analyzed by MECO engineers, and you receive customized solutions to improve operational efficiency and schedule predictive maintenance. Operate with peace of mind, knowing you have 24-hour support of focused and expert engineers with access to all of your data. The future of water is clear. The future of water is MECO smartANALYTICS.